Are you looking for a scalping strategy that gives you incredible win rates? In this video, I have meticulously backtested this amazing strategy on 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15-minute time frames, challenging it to see how you can achieve quick profits. Stay with me to see the amazing results. First of all, you need to go to the TradingView website to use this professional scalping strategy. Now we need to go to the symbol section and select our symbol. I recommend choosing a symbol that has high trading volume. Next, we need to go to the time frame section. After that, you should select a time frame between 1 minute and 15 minutes. This strategy works within this time frame range but has different win rates, which I will show you at the end of the video. Now we need to do the most important task, which is adding the first indicator to our strategy. To do this, we enter the Indicators tab and type in the search box, pivots high-low line. Once you find it, just click on it. Now, as always, we need to adjust the settings of this indicator from the default mode and apply our own changes. For this, simply enter its settings and make the changes you see in the following steps. After correctly setting it up, I need to teach you where to use this indicator and how to identify entry points for trades with its help, because finding an entry point for trading is very challenging. If you can't do this correctly, rest assured that you will always incur losses in this market and may even stop trading altogether. So make sure to remember the explanations in this section well. As the name of this indicator suggests, it works based on pivot points, which are very important for us. However, more importantly, it generates support and resistance levels for us. When the market price reaches these lines, we can find our entry points for buy and sell trades. Many traders like to trade using support and resistance lines. If you are one of these individuals, I recommend watching the video that I put the link in the caption. As I mentioned, we can use this indicator to find our entry points. When the price reaches a support level and breaks it downwards, we realize that at this point, this indicator has generated a sell signal for us. Conversely, when the price reaches resistance levels and breaks that level and crosses upwards, this indicator generates a buy signal for us. Now, with the explanations I've provided, we can look at a few examples together so that the method of finding entry signals becomes completely clear to you and you learn it accurately. After that, I want to remind you that using multiple indicators increases the accuracy of our strategy. Therefore, we can add a second indicator to our chart as well. To do this, simply go to the indicators section and type in the search box CM Ultimate MA MFT V2. Once you find it, just click on it to add it to our chart. We just need to make some changes to it so that we can make the best use of it. For this, simply click on the gear icon next to the name of this indicator and enter its settings. Now apply the changes you see so that this indicator becomes suitable for our use. After making these changes, I need to teach you how to use this indicator. As you can see, we use this indicator to find market trends, and with its help, we determine whether the market is bullish, bearish, or trading range. When the 50 MA line is above the 200 MA line and the price candles are also above both lines, we consider the trend to be bullish and look for buy opportunities at these points. Conversely, when the 200 MA line is above the 50 MA line and the price candles are below both lines, we understand that we are in a bearish trend, and at this point we should only look to profit from price declines. Now that you have learned how to work with these two indicators, I need to teach you where to enter trades, where to set your stop loss, and how much to consider for your take profits. But before that, I want you to take a look at the channel because I have created many strategies with different win rates and explained them to you in detail. Let's start with buy orders. First of all, we need to ensure that we are in a bullish trend with the 50 MA line above the 200 MA line and the candles above both lines. After that, we need to find a point that shows us a bullish breakout, and here we should look at our first indicator, which is the pivot high-low. Here you can see that this point has been identified, and we realize that this is our entry point for a buy trade. After that, we need to determine our stop loss. To do this, we just need to find the last swing low and place our stop loss slightly below it. Now we can enter our buy trade, and for the take profit, we can consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Now we just have to wait for the trade to close with a profit or loss before moving on to our next trade. For sell orders, we need to act in reverse of buy orders. First, we need to ensure that we are in a bearish trend and that the price candles are below both moving average lines. After that, we need to look for a support level where a bearish breakout has occurred and the price has broken this support level downwards. When these conditions are met, we know we have found the right point to enter a sell trade. Now we should set our stop loss slightly above the last swing high. Now we can open our sell trade and consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 for our take profit. Now all we have to do is wait for the trade to close with a profit. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, you can observe the results and win rates of this strategy in the 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15 minute time frames. Next, I'll provide a few more examples so you can fully understand this scalping strategy. Don't forget that if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments section. I promise I respond to your questions as quickly as possible. I hope that by following money management rules, you can grow your capital with this amazing strategy and achieve great results. Remember that adhering to the strategy rules and following money management principles are two key aspects you should never forget. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Love you all. Until the next video and another scalping strategy. Goodbye.